Well, hello there. I'm Marquise Meda from the Orlando Science Center, and I'm joined by
Zachary.
And today we are getting socksy. Well, maybe not the socks, but we are learning about sock science.
Yes, a little bit. So we're actually making sock puppets in the Hive, which is presented by the Issac family. And we're going to be doing that all month long during Literacy Month. And so we're kind of going into how to make a sock puppet, the materials you can need, how you can do it at home, and the science behind creating a character and using your imagination. So all you really need is a sock and some things that you're going to attach to the sock. You can see a lot of our examples here have lots of different ideas going on. We can use pipe cleaners and super glue if you're not comfortable with sewing. Obviously, you can use buttons as eyes or unicorn horns even. You can even cut up your sock and use the rest of it as attachments. You can see here our three-legged unicorn, and there's so many other things you can use. All you need is some sewing needles, plastic or metal, whatever you're comfortable with, and even some fabric markers to get a little bit of color onto your socks as well. And so the best thing about this activity is that you can create your own characters, right? And especially during Fairy Tale Weekend here at the Orlando Science Center on September 21st and 22nd, you can create these fairy tales in your brain, and then you can come up to the Hive and make them a reality, like your little unicorn or your guy with the funky hairdo.
Well, as Literacy Month continues here, I hope that you tap into that creativity, whether that's with your parents or here at the Orlando Science Center. But for now, I'm Marquise Meda for the science of it. Back to you.